Now let us solve the problems here. The first bit is find the local extrema of the function is given here against the interval shown here. So we already know the procedure to find the local maxima and local minima. Here I am using second derivative test. Second derivative test is f dash x must be equals to 0 and f double dash x is less than 0. Then we get here local maximum f dash x is equal to 0 and f double dash x greater than 0. In this case I get local minimum. So using this concept, let us solve the problems. So first differentiate, take this as 1, differentiate both sides with respect to x. So f dash x I will get here, f dash x is equal to x cube derivative 3x square minus x square derivative is 2x into 6 is 12x plus x derivative is 1 into 9 is 9. So the step for local max or local minimum f dash x must be equals to 0. So this implies I can say 3x square minus 12x plus 9 is equal to 0. Here I can cancel 3 1 ja, 3 4 ja, 3 3 ja. Now factorize this. X square minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. This can be written as x square minus 3x minus x plus 3 is equal to 0. Taking x common, this is x minus 3. These two take minus 1 common, this is x minus 3. So again I can take x minus 3 common and x minus 1 is equal to 0. So here I am getting x is equal to 1, 3. Now second step, find out f double dash x. Again differentiate this function with respect to x both sides here. So x square derivative is 2x into 3 is 6x minus 12 constant, x derivative is 1 into 12 is minus 12. 9 derivative is 0. Now find out f double dash 1 value first. F double dash 1 is equal to 6 into 1 is 6 minus 12 is minus 6. This is less than 0. That implies we get at x is equal to 1 local maximum value. And it is given by f of 1. Find out f of 1 value, substitute x is equal to 1 here. 1 cube means 1. 1 square is 1, 1 into minus 6 is minus 6. 9 into 1 is 9 plus 15. So on simplification I will get 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 15 25 minus 6 is 19. So local maximum I got 19 here. Similarly find out f double dash 3 value there. F double dash 3 is equal to, substitute 3 in this one, 16 to 3 is 18. 18 minus 12, that is 6, greater than 0. That implies that x is equal to 3. We get local minimum value. So that is given by f of 3. Now find out f of 3 value. So f of 3 means substitute. Here I am finding f of 3 value here. F of 3 is equal to 3 cube minus 6 into 3 square plus 9 into 3 plus 50. 3 cube is 27, 9 6 are 54 plus this is 27 plus 50. Now 27 plus 27, 54 minus 54 plus 54 cancels. We will get final answer is 15. That means the local minimum value is here 50. So this is the answer. Again observe here to find the local minima and local maxima using second derivative test. These are the steps we have followed. First to find out f dash x, equate this to 0, we get x values. After that find out f double dash x, substitute these values here. If f double dash x value is negative, in that case I am getting maximum value. If f double dash x value is greater than 0, at that particular point we are getting minimum value. See, this is the second problem. F of x is given x square into e power 3x for all x belongs to R. Again differentiate 1 with respect to x both sides. F dash x is equal to, here I am using product formula. First function is as it is, derivative of e power 3x plus e power 3x as it is, derivative of x square. On simplification I will get x square, derivative of e power 3x is e power 3x. Again we write the derivative of 3x here, that is 3. E power 3x, x square derivative is 2x. Overall I can take e power 3x common here. In this case I will get 3x square plus 2x. Now first step, f dash x must be equals to 0 for find local extrema values. This is equal to, I will get e power 3x into 3x square plus 2x. This must be equals to 0 since e power 3x is not equals to 0. From this I will get here, in this case, in these two terms I can take x common here. If I take x common I get 3x plus 2. So from this step I got x is equal to 3, and if I equate this equals to 0 I get x is equal to minus 2 by 3. So first step is completed. Now find the second derivative of double dash x. Differentiate this function with respect to x both sides. Again here I am using product formula. So e power 3x as it is, 3x square plus 2x derivative plus 3x square plus 2x into e power 3x derivative. So e power 3x as it is, x square derivative is 2x into 3, that is 6x. 2 next derivative is 1, here I am getting 2 plus this term as it is. Again e power 3x derivative is e power 3x and 3x derivative is 3. I can take e power 3x common again in this one. So remaining terms 3x square into 3, that is 9x square plus 6x plus, here these two terms, write down these two terms, 6x plus 2. So this is e power 3x, 9x square plus 12x plus 2. Now find the value of f double dash 0 here. F double dash 0, substitute x is equal to 0, this is 1, this is 0, this is 0, I am getting 2 here, 2 into 1 is 2, greater than 0, in this case I will get at x is equal to 0, we get minimum value. And the minimum value is given by f of 0. F of 0 is equal to, substitute x is equal to 0 in the given relation. In that case I will get, say f of x is x square into e power 3x. If I substitute x is equal to 0 in that relation, I will get x is equal to 0. So I am getting minimum value at x is equal to 0 and minimum value also 0. Now find out f double dash minus 2 by 3. So f double dash 2 by 3, substitute x is equal to minus 2 by 3 in this relation. I will get e to the power of minus 2 by 3 means 3 get cancelled, e power minus 2. 9 into minus 2 by 3 whole square, that is 4 by 9, plus 12 into minus 2 by 3 plus 2. So 9 gets cancelled, 3 1 ja, 3 4 ja. So on simplification, I will get e power minus 2, 4 2 ja minus 8, minus 8 plus 4 minus 4, minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. So this is minus 2 by e square less than 0. So in this case I will get at x is equal to minus 2 by 3, I will get maximum value, and that is given by f of minus 2 by 3. F of minus 2 by 3 value, x square into e power 3x means x square means 4 by 9, e power 3x, e power minus 2. So this is the procedure to find the local max value, local minimum value. Here local maxima, here also local minimum. Now see this problem. Find the absolute extreme of f of x given by this function in closed interval is given. When the closed interval is given, see this is the formula which we have already discussed in previous class. Absolute maximum is given by maximum of f of a comma f of b and a relative maximum in open interval a b, and absolute minimum is equal to, this is the formula. So first to find out f of a and f of b here. So f of a means f of minus 3. This is equal to minus 3 minus 1 whole square plus 3. This is equal to minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. Minus 4 whole square means 16 plus 3, 19 you will get. Again f of b means f of 1. 1 minus 1 means 0. 0 whole square plus 3 means here you will get 3. Then to find the relative maximum, relative minimum, we have first step, we have to find f dash x. So differentiate this function with respect to x both sides. So first power derivative, 2 into x minus 1 whole to the power of 2 minus 1 is 1 into derivative of x minus 1 plus derivative of 3 is 0, constant derivative. So on simplification I will get f dash x is equal to 2 into x minus 1, derivative of x is 1 and derivative of 1 is 0, overall I will get 1. So for local max or minimum, the first step is equate f dash x to 0. That implies I will get here 2 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. From this I will get x is equal to 1. Second step, find f double dash x here. The second step, f double dash x means differentiate this with respect to x both sides. So two constant as it is, x derivative is 1 and constant derivative is 0, overall you will get 1 here. This is 2. So f double dash 1, find out there. Since this is constant function, the answer will be here 2. Since this is greater than 0, at x is equal to 1, we get minimum value, local minimum value. So that is given by f of 1. F of 1 already we have calculated here, that is 3. Now using this formula, absolute maximum is given by maximum of f of a is 19, f of b is 3, and here we did not get any relative maximum, so only we have to take these two values here. So answer is 19 here. Again, absolute minimum is given by minimum of f of a is 19, f of b is 1, sorry, f of b is 3, comma, here again at x is equal to 1 means f of 1, that is 3 here, no need to write again there. The minimum value is 3 here. Now this is the next problem. Using first derivative test, find the local extremum of the function. Function is given by this relation x cube minus 12x on R. So before solving the problem, let us rewind the first derivative test here. There are three different cases. In first case, this is C is the point of local maxima if f dash x changes sign from positive to negative. Next, if C is the point of local minimum if f dash x changes sign from negative to positive. So using these two cases, let us solve the problem here. So first to find out derivative of this function, differentiate both sides with respect to x. F dash x is equal to, I will get x cube derivative is 3x square minus 12, x derivative is 1, 12 into 1 is 12 here. Now f dash x is equal to 0, this implies 3x square minus 12 is equal to 0. Here I can cancel 3 1 ja, 3 4 ja here. So on simplification, this is x square minus 4 is equal to 0. From this I can write on splitting this into two factors. So here two values I am getting here, x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to plus 2. Now case 1, at these 2 points just check whether local maxima or local minima exist. For that, find out the find the sign, change of the sign at minus 2. For that I am taking this as minus 2. Take one value left side here. One point here, neighborhood of minus 2, one point here. This is minus 2.1. this is 1.9 minus 1.9. So what f dash x is equal to, we got 3x square minus 12. Now f dash minus 2.1. This on simplification I will get 1.23, which is greater than 0, and f dash minus 1.9. This on simplification I will get minus 1.17. This is less than 0. Observe, when the sign changes from positive to negative, here positive to negative, the sign is changing. That implies I can say at x is equal to minus 2, we get local maximum value, and that is given by f of minus 2. So substitute x is equal to minus 2 here. So I will get minus 2 whole cube minus 12 into minus 2. Now this is on simplification I will get this as 16. This is minus 8 plus 24. So this is 60. Similarly, in case 2, at x is equal to 2, here we got two values. At x is equal to minus 2, we have calculated, and at x is equal to plus 2 here. This is plus 2. Neighborhood of plus 2 is 1.9 here. Neighborhood of this is 2.1. Left side is 1.9, right side is 2.1. Now f dash 1.9. This is equal to, we will get to minus 1.7, which is less than 0. Similarly, f dash 2.1. This is 1.23, greater than 0. Since the sign changes from negative to positive, so already we know when sign changes from negative to positive, we get local minimum value, that I am writing here. So at x is equal to 2, we get local minimum, and that is given by f of 2. Now substitute in the given function. This is 2 cube minus, our function is x cube minus 12x. So 12x means 12 into 2 is 24. 8 minus 24, this I will get minus 60. So maximum value is plus, local maximum is plus 16, and the local minimum is minus 16. So using the first derivative test, this is the procedure to find the local extremes. So see this graph of this function. So this is x is equal to minus 2. Here I got local maximum. This is x is equal to plus 2. Here I got local minimum value. So this is the next problem. The profit function p of x is given by this relation. Find the number of items that the company should manufacturing to get maximum profit. Also find the maximum profit. ఇక్కడ లాభ ప్రమేయం అని ప్రమేయం ఇచ్చిండు, ఇక్కడ ప్రాఫిట్ ప్రమేయం ఇచ్చిండు. ఇక్కడ అడిగింది ఏంటంటే ఎన్ని ఐటమ్స్ అమ్మితే మనకు ఎక్కువ ప్రాఫిట్ వస్తుంది, maximum ప్రాఫిట్ కూడా కనిపెట్టమన్నాడు ఇప్పుడు. సో అగైన్ యూజింగ్ సెకండ్ డెరివేటివ్ టెస్ట్ ఐఎమ్ డూయింగ్ దిస్ ప్రాబ్లం. P of x is given 150x minus x square minus 1000. Just I am multiplying this x within the bracket. So for maximum I know we have to find the derivative of that function. P dash x is equal to 150, since x derivative is 1 minus x square derivative is 2x and constant derivative is 0. So for local maxima or local minimum, we know P dash x is equal to 0. This implies 150 minus 2x is equal to 0. I can from this relation I can get x is equal to 70. Again differentiate this function again with respect to x. From that I will get P double dash x, 150 derivative is 0, minus 2x derivative is minus 2. So P double dash 75. This also becomes minus 2 less than 0. This implies I will get maximum profit at x is equal to 75. And second bit also there, also find the maximum profit means we have to find P of 75 value, substitute P is equal to 75 in the given function. So in simplification you will get 150 minus x, x means 75, 150 minus x means 75 into 75 minus 1000. So this I will get 150 minus 75 means 75, 75 into 75 minus 1000. On simplification I will get this as 4625. This is the maximum profit when you manufacturing 75 units. This is the problem. This is the next question. Find two positive integers whose sum is 16 and the sum of whose squares is minimum. Now let us assume two positive integers x comma y here. Now given that sum is 16 means x plus y is equal to 16 given. The sum of whose squares is minimum means one function that this is p, this is the function whose squares means x square plus y square. This should be minimum. Then what is the value of x and what is the value of y here? Now from this relation I can write y is equal to 16 minus x. And let us assume this is first relation and this is second relation. Now substitute 1 into, so here I will get p is equal to x square plus y square means 16 minus x whole square. Now this is the function. Again using second derivative test I will solve this problem. So for local maximum, local minimum, find out p dash here. P dash x is equal to derivative of x square is 2x. Derivative of this function is 2 into 16 minus x into derivative of 16 minus x. So on simplification I will get 2x plus 2 into 16 minus x. Derivative of 16 is 0 and the derivative of minus x is minus 1. So when for max or minimum, equate p dash x to 0. So that implies I will get 2x minus 2 into 16 minus x is equal to 0. You simplify this function again here. This is 2x, 2 into 16 is 32, and 2 into minus 2, this is plus 2x. Overall I get here 4x plus 32 here. Now on cancellation, this 2 gets cancelled. So x minus 16 plus x is equal to 0. From this I will get 2x is equal to 16 and x is equal to 8. In second step, find p double dash x here. Derivative of this function, 4 into derivative of x is 1 and 32 derivative is 0. P double dash 8 is equal to also here 4, since that is constant function, this is greater than 0. Therefore, I can say that x is equal to 8, we get minimum value. So when x is equal to 8, using this relation, I can write y is equal to 16 minus 8 means 8. So when x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 8, we get the sum of the squares is minimum. This is the problem.